In today's video, I will show you how to end a survey in Qualtrics based on an answer. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, open the project you want to edit. Using skip logic to end a survey early is a great way to screen out respondents who don't meet your target criteria, saving both their time and your data storage. Once you are inside, click on any question block where you want to apply this condition to view its specific settings. Now, scroll down the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Skip Logic. Next, click on the first drop-down menu and select End of Survey from the list of destinations. Then, use the second drop-down menu to choose the specific answer choice that will trigger this action. Finally, make sure that the last drop-down option is set to is selected so that if a respondent picks that specific answer, it automatically closes the session for them. And that's it. That's how you end a survey in Qualtrics based on an answer.